Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm here to show you how to open up a budget for the new fiscal year. Let's get started. I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, budget lives in General Ledger. So you're going to come to the General Ledger. You'll click on Budget and Budget Manager. That'll bring us to the budget area. I have already opened up the new year, so by default, it's going to open to the most recent year. There are no budgets here yet. Over on the right hand side, there is a Create Working Budget button. I'm going to click on this. It's going to come up. This is for creating a working budget, or there is a white button here, Create Projected Working Budget. So you can also work projections if you choose. I'm going to go ahead and create my regular working budget. Fiscal year, it's automatically going to come to the most recent year that's opened. It's going to propose a description or a name for your budget. This can be changed if you like. I'm going to go ahead and stick with this one. Then I can click on Create Department Groups if I choose. What this will do is it will create little mini departmental budgets, makes it easier to print reports. Um, but if you're going to copy from a previous budget that already has department groups, you won't need that. Then at this point, I can click Save. And if I do that, it'll create a budget without any dollar amounts, which allows me to go in and put in dollar amounts for the budget. So you're basically starting from almost scratch. Or you can, at this point, with a budget like that, if you have been working on your budget in Excel, you can import a budget. What I'm going to do is what most customers do in copy from. I'm going to copy last year's budget in and then make any changes necessary. So I'm going to select my fiscal year, which is last year's. Then once last year's in there, I can select the budget that I want. And I do want the adopted budget. So I'm going to select that one. And then I'm going to click the blue button Save. Now it will take it a moment because it's going to go through and read all of the accounts to get the budget ready. And here is my working budget. So I can start putting together my budget for 27. I'm going to stop sharing my screen at this point. If you have any questions or need any assistance in opening up a new budget, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you. Our telephone number is 806-794-3278, or our email address is fastsupport@fastsw.com.